show? Can you say you're Super Eli and you saved the day? Say, I'm Super Eli. Show me your little dance when you're Super Eli. Come here. Can Super Eli show me how to cut vegetables? Sit down and cut some vegetables.
Where's your knife? Oh, over here. Other way. Yeah. Thank you.
Tell Granny and Papa what you're doing. Not ducking, cutting. What are you cutting right now? Hey. Say bye-bye, Granny.